how to change Instagram Notes color. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Instagram Notes color. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the DM icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the DM section, what you can do is just tap on your note option which can be seen at the top left side. And now here, once you are inside the note section, then what you can do is simply type a short text. And here, once you're done with that, what you can do is just tap on the color palette which can be seen at the top. And now here in this section, you can simply select the color for your note, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on apply. And here, once you're done typing your message, you can simply tap on share, and your notes will be shared in the color that you have selected. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.